Camtasia for 2019 for Mac and for PC are nearly identical, but there are still several differences. While this isn't a complete list, here are some of the differences I've found in the 2019 versions. Common differences between the platforms include the Preferences windows, the Recorders, keyboard shortcuts, most notably splitting clips with S versus Cmd T, Captions, and video production, also known as the Share Wizard. Only the Mac version of Camtasia 2019 has gesture effects, visual effects, sepia, mask, reflection, spotlight, glow and freeze region, and touchbar interactions. Additionally, the Mac version gives users the ability to open multiple projects simultaneously, hide desktop icons, rename media in the media bin, change the pitch of your audio, and record your iOS device. Only the PC version of Camtasia 2019 has the PowerPoint add-in, borders, and export to WMV.